Hello Sir Gunawan and friend. My name is Patrick William Alexander Nabaho. So today in this video, I'm going to tell you guys about my future goal. Actually, my goal isn't valid yet, but I always ask myself what my goal and my future life is. When I was a kid, I wanted to be a soldier in the future. I wanted to be a soldier because soldier is really strong and you can carry a weapon. But my plan to be a soldier has gone, because I don't really prepare for the test for the soldier academy. When I was in that phase, my physique was really good and I also was very athletic, but I couldn't maximize it. I tried to play basketball because my friends said my height is perfect for a basketball player. And one day I watched a basketball game and it was Brooklyn Nets versus Golden State Warrior. And I was mesmerizing when I saw them play basketball. And then from there, I really wanted to be a professional basketball player. I have planned that after I finish my college, I will go to a basketball academy and train really hard. I have a goal. When I success, I want to move to America or Australia and live there. And I want to spend my rest of my life in there playing basketball and having a small family. So that's it, my future goal. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching.